What's up, guys? Welcome back. The 7th of January, Sunday morning. We're going to take a look at Casper/Tether this morning. Getting a little volatility, closing and trading below a level we spoke about not too long ago. Two more levels I want to talk about as this trend could pull back quite a bit here. So we'll take a look at that, and then we'll drop over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin holding up quite well, recovered very nice. We'll wrap this video up. Welcome to the channel, guys. So we still have not printed another higher high for Casper. So we have a higher low, circle number 1. We have a higher high, circle number 2. Another higher low, another higher high. So far, this pullback right here, so this will be the 3rd of January, is a higher low. But then when we traded back up, we actually printed a lower high. So we have not yet made another higher high. So this day right here, which is the 5th of January, so 2 days ago, did not take out the high over here on the 30th of December. So we could be in a change in trend. Now, we don't know 100% until we get a lower low. So we have the higher low, we have a lower high, and potentially we're in here for a lower low, and that'll give us a trend change, a change in trend. So we're kind of in the middle here now. You know, we're still in the uptrend. We have the higher low, which is right here, but we have failed to print another higher high. So keep that in mind. We also have two levels we want to talk about below the market for Casper, potentially pullback areas for the price. So we have one down below the market at 44.16. That's 0.04416. That is right here, guys. If we get to that zone, you can see if we look left on the chart, all these candle wicks above the market are right at our level. If we get to that level and hit that level, it'll give us a lower low. We'll be undercutting the low of the 3rd of January. So keep that in mind as well. But this market, if it does pull back, I'll be looking for support at the 44.16 level. We also have one more below the market, but from where we're trading at currently, which is 49.17, and if we trade down to 44.16, that puts us down roughly like 10.5% from where we're currently at. So keep that in mind. Also, note that the 52.65 level that we were talking about, that we were trying to get a nice close above, we did get one close above it on the 4th of January. Quickly reversed. We have a lower high on the 5th and a close below that. And then we have more confirmation yesterday, the 6th, that is resistance right now. So before we can move higher, we need to get above that level. We need to close above that level. But you can see how the price is struggling to close and stay above that level anyways. So 44.16, moving back to our lower price targets, is one level. And then if we really pull back here, 39.16, guys, that's way, way down here. That'll definitely give us multiple lower lows. So that is right down here, 39.16. That is where this market actually bottomed out on the 18th and 19th of December. So it's possible. Keep that in mind. From where we're currently trading down to that 39.16 puts us down about 20.5%. So just wanted to share those targets. Until this trend can make another higher high, we are potentially setting up for a lower low and a change in trend back to the downside, if not sideways price action. So we have resistance at 52.65. That's above the market. And if we are going to print a lower low, we should be finding some support down there at 44.16. So let's see what happens here. That's my thoughts on Casper and the USDT. That's Gate.io daily chart. Over to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin recovered quite well after that pretty big shakeout, which took place On the 3rd of January, we actually recovered all the way back up. We are sitting at our resistance level, 44.59.76. That is right here. The price is actually slightly above it right now, but you can see this yellow horizontal line on the chart, this dotted line. The price is just sitting there. What is it going to do? So, judging by the recovery and how fast it was, to me, it shows there's strength in Bitcoin still, and the price is ready to pop higher. But of course, I don't know until it starts to play out. And we started to see that back in here, which was on the 2nd of January. We started to make another higher high. We closed lower actually than the high of this move, which was over in here on the 5th of December. And then we got a nasty, nasty shakeout on the 3rd. But we recovered quite well, and we're kind of just forming this slight pennant pattern here. So we'll see. There's some energy built up, and maybe tonight, tomorrow, we'll start to see some movement come out of this. Question is it higher? Is it lower? Judging by the recovery, it seems like the move will be higher. And if that's the case, we should make a new high. We should also be heading up towards 47,431. And if that takes place, there's a good chance Casper will not move lower, will move higher. So we should definitely see a move back up to the 52.65. And if Bitcoin really moves, hopefully higher than that. Guys, that's my thoughts on what's going on here with Casper. Take a screenshot of this, get the price levels I have on my chart, keep an eye on them. If you want, feel free. And that's my thoughts on Bitcoin. It's not financial advice, guys. Please make your own decisions. All right, we'll catch you in the next one.